Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect IC markets to TradingView so you can trade directly from your charts with these. And let's get started. First, you want to go to tradingview.com and make sure you're signed into your account. If you don't have one yet, just create it. It only takes a few minutes. Next, you want to head over to Products tab, this one. Then you want to choose Super Charts. This will open up your main charting interface. Now, at the bottom of the chart, you'll see a tab labeled Trading Panel, this one. Now, what you want to do is you want to click on this and drag it upward a bit so you can see all the available brokers, because normally it looks like this. So just go ahead and pull this all the way up. Then you want to look through the list for IC markets. To get to that, just go ahead and click Show All Brokers. Then just look for IC markets. But to make things easier for you, just go ahead and type it in here, IC markets. There you go. Then choose the one that matches your trading account. Click this, and let's say this one. And from here, just hit connect and you'll be redirected to IC Markets login page. Just sign in using your email and password and confirm the connection. Once that's done, you'll be connected. You can now place, manage, and close trades directly inside TradingView using your IC Markets account. And that's it. You're ready to trade smarter and faster on TradingView. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.